What's up, YouTube? You're with Budget Monk, and I wanted to shoot a quick video on one of my favorite things about the Confucian religion. So I'm playing Ryuku here, trying to achieve the 3 mountains on very hard difficulty, extremely challenging stuff. And we flipped Confucian, which is from an event when we took the Mandate of Heaven. You can flip Confucian for free. And as many of you guys know, you harmonize religions as Confucian, whereas basically you slowly incorporate them into being your main religion along with everything else. Each time you harmonize a religion, it also gives you a bonus. So the Eastern religions, like other Buddhists and so on, different variations of Buddhism, they each have to be harmonized individually, whereas otherwise, the entire Muslim group, pagan group, Dharmic group as Indian, and Christian group are all done in one foul swoop as a group. Now, basically what I really love about this is if we go to the colony and trading company map mode. This is a map mode that a lot of people are not that familiar with. So if you go to the colonial map mode, people are normally looking at the colonies, while the same map mode breaks the trading regions into various regions, right? This is the trade map mode. I have it so this hotkey alternates between the two. You can see it's effectively the trading regions. Well, what this does is it shows you your trading companies when you add them to trading companies. So the trading companies are represented by your color on this map mode. You can see that I just slam everything down and add it to the company. And this is one of the most enjoyable things about Confucianism for me, is when we take provinces and you want to trade and company them, you either have to deal with the fact that they're a different religion because you can't convert them when they're inside of a trading company, or you have to convert them first and then add them to a trading company. But in this case, you can see these are Christian provinces being Coptic and Orthodox, and I can simply, this applies to any province that I take in the world. We just go to the trading region and just add all. Every time we expand, we just add all. And you can see here our provinces have added automatically, and we will convert them. Not only is it superior in a way to converting them individually, but we will retroactively convert the entire group whilst being inside of a trading company. So that actually makes trading company management just an absolute blessing and a pleasure to play. Pick up Confucian, give it a go, and I hope that inspired you and you appreciate this content. Thanks for watching.